is what inspired you to be the brand ambassador of Sophie?
Firstly, thank you for making me the brand ambassador of Sophie. I think that the brand's commitment to innovation and empowering women in general, I think deeply resonates with the kind of person that I am. I, as a girl, really believe that comfort and confidence is important, and I think that this brand enables women to feel that way.
Fabulous, fabulous. I'm sure you have a lot of experiences when you have to go ahead and choose the right hygiene product for yourself. How do you go about with it?
Well, now I just use Sophie, so it's very simple and actually very comfortable and very hygienic and very easy. So that's the answer.
Fabulous. So, there are a lot of times during our periods, right? Self-care is very important, and as women, working women, we're always traveling, we're always up to something or the other. How do you take care of your self-care, Sana?
I think I could be better with it than I am, but I do try, and I think that with any kind of self-care, I think the most important thing is to try, and mindfulness. Whatever you do, I think that, whether it's food, whether it's anything really, I think just being mindful enables you to just have a more full and aware and meaningful experience with anything in life. I also think that balance is key. So I think taking out enough time to do whatever makes you physically, mentally and soulfully happy and full. Those are things that I personally value doing. Traveling, working out, other things as well.
Meditation.
Meditation for sure. I think that, like I said, whatever helps you feel connected to yourself, then enables you to connect with and to people better. So yes, I think meditation as well, of course.
Thank you so much. Deepika-san, sharing your experience of Sophie, but we have something really cool. We don't just have that one product. We have one more to go.
I know.
Yes. Shall we go with the unveiling of that? Ladies and gentlemen, we have given you have a band, right? So I want you to quickly go ahead and just scan that QR code, which is there in your band.